After Joshua died, the Israelites were kind of stuck. No leader, no battle plan. So they asked God, "Who goes first?" And God said, "Judah." And Judah went. They fought with courage, and with God's help, they won battles left and right. But then, things got messy. The other tribes didn't finish the job. Some said, "Hey, let's just live with the Canaanites." Spoiler, that was not what God wanted. Instead of trusting God completely, they let the enemy stay, and even started copying their ways. So God sent an angel to Bochim with a major message. "I brought you out of Egypt, gave you this land, and told you not to make deals with these people, but you didn't listen. Now, there'll be thorns in your side." Yikes! The people cried out and said, "We're sorry!" But it didn't last. They forgot God again. They turned to idols again, and they did evil again. So God let their enemies rise up, and suddenly life wasn't so easy. But when they cried out for help, God didn't ignore them. He raised up heroes called judges, rescuers. When a judge was around, things were peaceful. But as soon as the judge died, guess what? Yep, back to square one. Sin, trouble, crying, rescue, repeat. It was a big, messy loop. Yet through it all, one thing stayed the same. God never gave up on his people, even when they gave up on him.